I will show you 11 websites where you can get these free airdrops when you watch this video. Hey guys, welcome back to the update. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with crypto airdrops, no investment required. That's right, free tokens. First things first, what exactly is an airdrop? Simply put, an airdrop is when a cryptocurrency project gives out free tokens to people who complete a few simple tasks, like joining a Telegram group or following them on Twitter. It's a way for new projects to get noticed, and a way for you to potentially profit with zero investment. How airdrops work. So, how do you get started? It's easy. All you need to do is join the project's Telegram or Discord. Follow them on Twitter. Complete simple tasks like retweeting or filling out a short form. Once you've done that, you're eligible for free tokens, and sometimes, those tokens could be worth something real. Why participate? Why should you care? Well, some airdrops can turn into something big. If you're lucky, the tokens you receive today might increase in value tomorrow as the project grows. It's like getting free shares in a company before it IPOs. Place to get these free airdrops. Airdrop Alert. Website, airdropalert.com. What it offers: verified airdrops with detailed guides on how to participate. 2. CoinMarketCap airdrops. Website, coinmarketcap.com/airdrop. What it offers: lists of airdrops for users to join and claim free tokens. 3. CoinGecko airdrops. Website, coingecko.com/n/airdrops. What it offers: a curated list of ongoing and upcoming airdrops from trusted projects. 4. Airdrop King. Website, airdropking.io. What it offers: a regularly updated list of airdrops with instructions on how to claim them. 5. Airdrops.io. Website, airdrops.io. What it offers: lists of active and high-quality airdrops, updated frequently. 6. The Airdrop site. Website, the Airdrop site. What it offers: verified airdrops with clear participation steps. 7. Telegram groups. Examples: crypto airdrops, airdrop hunters. What it offers: airdrop announcements and updates from the community. Look for active Telegram channels. 8. Bitcoin Talk forum. Website, bitcointalk.org. What it offers: airdrop threads in the forums, announcements section, where projects announce their airdrops. 9. Medium and Twitter. What it offers: airdrop announcements from crypto projects via their Medium blog or Twitter account. Search hashtags like #airdrop for updates. 10. Edo platforms. Polkastarter, TrustSwap. What it offers: airdrops associated with Edo initial DEX offering projects, often rewarding participants in token sales. 11. DAOs and DeFi projects. Uniswap, SushiSwap. What it offers: airdrops for early adopters of decentralized finance protocols, typically for users who interact with the platform. 12. Web3 projects. Kusama, Polkadot. What it offers: airdrops to users involved in Web3, blockchain-based projects, and staking. Extra tips. Do your research, stick to trusted sites and verified airdrops to avoid scams. Use a separate wallet, protect your main wallet by using one dedicated for airdrops. Stay safe. Never share your private keys or seed phrases during airdrops. By checking these sources regularly, you'll stay updated on the latest opportunities to grab free tokens. Tips and tricks. Here are some quick tips. Be careful. Only participate in airdrops from trusted projects. Always do your research. Stay active in their community to get the latest updates. And don't forget to keep track of your tokens after the airdrop. Ready to start earning free crypto? Check the links in the description below for the latest airdrops. And make sure to like and subscribe the update so you never miss an update on the best ways to make money in crypto.